Colonizing other planets is not a new idea. From nuking them to make them habitable to just sending humans and staying there. All are great ideas, but why colonizing other planets is important. This is high time when we are starting to understand the importance of space colonization like never before. Climate change and every other aspect of living on this planet are proving that we need to find another option. But we have to keep in mind that taking care of Earth and restoring everything that has been lost is way easier and cheaper than terraforming or colonizing other planets. With keeping that in mind, we must try to find some alternative places to live for some reasons. In this video, you will learn why space colonization is important and in future, why it may be our only option. Number 1. We destroy Earth. Humans can and might destroy Earth in the near future. There is great instability of power. Humans never think of themselves as one. They are divided amongst themselves. Humans are racists. Most humans hate everyone who is different and have a different view of life. We fight wars, kill other humans, sometimes just to satisfy our ego and to make ourselves feel that we are better than others. We humans can destroy our only planet in mainly two different ways. One is through raging wars and another is man-made climate change. We have been fighting amongst ourselves from the time we found out how to use fire, maybe even from earlier. What can be a better reason to find a new place to live than going on a full-scale war and destroying this beautiful planet? The situations are not excellent right now. From terrorist organizations taking over countries to strong countries bullying weaker ones just to keep them under their leash. We have fought wars all over our history. Humans love to colonize and make everything theirs. From Alexander trying to take over the planet to World War II, these wars have proved that we humans can do anything for ourselves and destroy lives and places on the way. Though we also have fought wars even before Alexander. There is another thing that cannot be denied, which is religious wars. Everyone is proud of their religion and they think their religion is the best, and if someone disagrees, they hurt them, sometimes even kill them. There is a big possibility that the next war will be because of religions. The first war probably was fought using stones, and the next war will be fought with stones and sticks again if we do not find another place to live when we destroy this beautiful planet. Many people may disagree with me on this one. Many of you may not consider it man-made. Some may argue that all these are supposed to happen. I'd like to say maybe, but if we humans did not exist, this would not be happening. From the day we started to use fire, we have been finding ways to use it more efficiently. That is not a bad thing, but we have been using this to an extreme level. From the French Revolution to today, humanity has come along a long way. Now we use more energy than ever, and the necessity is only going to increase. The water cycle has changed. The climate is changing at a drastic level. Some places that used to be very cold are suffering from heat waves. The heat waves are becoming more normal than ever. This time, we have come so far that only planting trees is not going to save us. We urgently need to find another place to live before Earth becomes inhabitable. But that does not mean we should stop planting trees. 600,000. Yes, that is the number of main belt asteroids. The asteroid belt holds nearly all the asteroids that can someday make our situation like the dinosaurs. But that is not the only asteroid field area in space. There are more asteroids in the Kuiper belt, and sometimes some interstellar asteroids also gives us a visit. There are about 9,000 near-Earth objects that can threaten the life of humans. All it takes is a single asteroid. Though A lot of smaller asteroids crash on Earth every year. Our capabilities to detect asteroids that can hit Earth is very limited. About 2100 asteroids crashed on Earth last year. We were only able to predict less than 10 of them. Some of them were only detected about 7 hours before they struck. Though any big asteroid's chance of hitting Earth is very small, Jupiter works as our bodyguard and catches most of the asteroids. There are 2 asteroids that can destroy the life on Earth and has a chance of hitting Earth more than 1%. Asteroid 2010 RF12 has a 5% chance of hitting Earth in 2095. Asteroid 99941 Apophis has a chance of hitting Earth by 2.7%, which may crash on Earth in 2029. So, if an asteroid hits Earth this week, there is a very small chance that we'll be able to do anything to stop it. Our best bet is to keep as many humans alive as possible in the account of an asteroid impact. How can we do that? Yes, by building a base on some other planet or moons. If at least a few thousand humans can be saved to keep humanity alive, we should colonize space. I fear that AI may replace humans altogether. If humans develop computer viruses, someone will design AI that improves and replicates itself. Artificial intelligence is not the next big thing. It is already here. AI are intelligent robots that can learn, develop themselves. They can teach themselves to do things on their own and help humans, like packing boxes in a grocery store or welcoming people to hotels. Not only that, but they can even learn to shoot and fire missiles where casualties will be most or the least. In recent years, a few occasions of AI doing stuff that may not be in the best interest of humans were observed. Like 2 Facebook bots taught themselves to communicate in a new language. Those bots were shut down. The next time you talk to Alexa or Google Home, keep that in mind. Though there is a huge chance that some evil human will program these bots to hurt others, if something like that happens, you must fly away to another place where those bots cannot find you. Sun is near death. Though there is still a lot of time till this happens, but this is also not out of possibility that it may happen before 5 billion years. The Sun in Earth's time is about 4.6 billion years old. Round it off to 5 billion years and it may last 5 billion years more till it goes supernova. Till present, the Sun has completed just 20 revolutions around the Milky Way galaxy. So if we consider the Sun's years, then the Sun is only 20 years old. And a very average star like the Sun can have a life of 40 years or 10 billion Earth years. The Sun will grow bigger and bigger before ending with a bang and shrinking. After the explosion, the Sun will slowly start to get denser and smaller till it becomes a white dwarf. There is a small chance that humanity will still be alive then. If we somehow do not kill ourselves, then the Sun certainly will. The only way we can save ourselves from being engulfed by the dying Sun is by finding a new planet where humanity can thrive. Though some scientists believe that the Sun will not grow big enough to engulf Earth, so if we make underground bunkers a few kilometers down the surface, we'll be able to stay alive. We can never be too cautious and find another place to live on. Earth erupts and destroys everything. There are several supervolcanoes that can erupt in the near future. Some of them are very near to the time when they are predicted to erupt. If a supervolcano erupts, there will not be a lot of things that can save us. If a volcano like the Yellowstone supervolcano erupts, the end may be our only destination. The last time Yellowstone supervolcano erupted was 640,000 years ago. Scientists are predicting the next eruption to be very soon. Though very soon can mean a few thousand years, but it can also be tomorrow. About 73,000 years ago, a similar volcanic disturbance took Earth into a long volcanic winter. The winter lasted for 10 years and nearly wiped out early humans from the face of Earth. If a supervolcano erupts, the first thing that will happen is massive earthquakes. Cities will be destroyed and the Earth will devour everything. Then comes the super tsunamis. The tsunamis will destroy those people who are still living on the ground. If they somehow survive, then the volcanic ash will start to take over the atmosphere and make breathing impossible. The poisonous gas and ash clouds will cover the entire planet, blocking the sun's light. Then the planet will slowly turn colder and colder. The temperature will soon reach up to -70 degrees. The best way to survive after that will be human colonies in space or on some other planet or moon. If any of this happens, then only we would understand the necessity of space colonization. Overpopulation. This one is not hiding from either you or me. Everyone can feel the overpopulation of humans becoming the end of humans. Overpopulation means we need more places to live. There is not a lot of place on earth where humans do not live. In countries like India, the population density is 464 humans per square kilometer. But in cities, the number is huge. In Kolkata, India, the population density is 24,000 people per square kilometer. That number is overwhelming. The population of humans is increasing by 1.1% every year. That may not sound a lot, but the total population of Earth is 7.8 billion and 1.1% of that is 8680000. Whew. According to a study by the United Nations, in 2050, the total population of Earth will reach a staggering 9.7 billion and will reach at the peak on the year 2100 with 11 billion. The population will start to reduce after that, but the question is, can the Earth support all these humans? The population of humans makes us search for another planet to live or colonize space more than ever.